Do I have to repay policy loans? This question comes up frequently, and if you're new to cash value life insurance and you heard the topic or strategy of taking out loans because it's a tax-free disbursement of your cash value, the natural question is, do I have to pay back a loan? Because if I have a loan through a bank, a lender, a credit card, whatever it might be, if I take a loan out, like, what do I have? Payments and interest. Well, the thing is, with a life insurance policy, when it comes to loans, payments are optional. Loan interest does accrue over time. I have the option to pay it. If I do not pay it, what will happen is the policy will borrow from itself. Whatever cash value is in the policy, it will take a loan to satisfy the loan interest. You will see that deduct from your death benefit as well, but the policy can pay for the loan interest on its own. The thing to be aware of, however, is if I have borrowed out an excessive amount of cash value, let's say I completely drain it, I take out 98% of my cash value, loan interest is due, I don't pay it, and my premium's due, and I don't pay that either. I have zero out of pocket, and I've taken everything out of the policy. That would be a situation where I would have to repay the loan. Otherwise, I can potentially run into a lapse, and that could have some tax consequences as well. We've got other content on that. So there are times I will have to pay it back. It is easy to prevent, and typically we'll always run those numbers and let someone know, hey, in this situation, you'll want to make sure you pay the loan back. But with that said, it is easy to prevent, and typically when I take out loans, as long as I'm not draining everything, I can be in a position where I do not have to repay them. Now, if I am repaying loans, it typically is in my best interest to repay loans. If I am using the policy, call it in my working years, perhaps I'm using it to take advantage of real estate opportunities, pay off debt, whatever it might be, I can wipe out the debt or pay off the real estate that I'm investing in. When I have that policy loan now within the cash value life insurance policy, repaying that will make sense. Typically, when I repay it, you will find that your cash value and death benefit is fully restored to exactly what it would have been as if I never touched it in the first place. I constantly receive the compounding on my entire bucket of money. No lost opportunity cost. Of course, going back to the original question, do I have to repay it when I'm in retirement? And now the goal is to take out income, right? A tax-free income disbursement. That's why so many people and corporations, by the way, use cash value life insurance so heavily. At that point in time, if I'm taking income, probably does not make sense to repay the loan or pay loan interest down. So very easy to take income from a life insurance policy with no payments whatsoever, no loan balance payments, no loan interest payments, and just disperse income. Typically, the agent would be us, or if you're working with another agent, will solve for the proper income amount, and you always want to run this conservative in case dividends come down or anything like that. This way, when I actually see that I can pull out $50,000 per year until I'm 100 years old or 90 years old, however long I want the income to last, I can actually pull that out. I don't want to be shown $70,000 until I'm 100 and then told, hey, at 85 you're out of money. No, we don't want that. So a lot of extra info I provided there as far as answering the original question. Do I have to repay policy loans? The answer is no, unless I've drained everything out, then I do have to pay it back, or I could run it into a lapse. As always, hope this helps. We'll talk to you soon. Hey guys, Steve Parisi here. If you enjoyed the content you just saw, please subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell for future videos. If you'd like more information or to see some custom policies for yourself, feel free to call or email our offices at the contact information below.